everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. In my kitchen today, I'll be making this healthy vegetable sauce. This sauce is so rich with lots and lots of vitamins. Without wasting much of our time, let us begin. And don't forget to subscribe if today is your first time. For my returning subscribers, I love you. So these are the ingredients. I'm using some carrots, some green beans, green bell pepper, onions, ginger and garlic, bouillon cube, fresh tomatoes, scotch bonnet pepper, my chicken, and my curry and some chicken seasoning. So this is the pepper. I've already prepped half of the pepper. I'm going to use this portion to cook our chicken. I already added the curry and chicken seasoning to the chicken. I've added some onion and the blended ginger and garlic together with pepper. So in the pan I added little oil. This recipe doesn't call for much oil. I added little oil and then allowed to heat up for like 2 minutes. I added my onion, and now I'm adding the tomatoes. It's not going to be dry like when you're making normal tomato stew. There should be some water in the tomatoes. So I just added our carrots, I'm adding curry at this point so that the carrots and the tomatoes will absorb the flavor of the curry. You can still call this recipe carrot curry sauce or whatever. So we allow to simmer for like 3 to 4 minutes. Next is our greens. That is the green bell pepper and the green beans. I like adding this towards the end of my cooking because of the look, that attractive green look it gives to my meal. Now I'm adding the already cooked chicken. Then we mix everything up so well and then taste if there is need to adjust the seasoning. And guys, you just have to allow this to simmer for 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Our vegetable sauce is ready and it's so filling. Even if it's just a little portion of rice that you pair with this, oh my god. Guys, subscribe to my channel for more and give this video a thumbs up. Don't leave this page without giving this video a thumbs up and dropping your comment for me. I love you anytime, any day. Bye.